so now that I'm going to be doing some welding, I really need a table that I can weld on, and I don't have a lot of space, so I thought I'd pick up one of these portable welding tables. Now this one is your Harbor Freight model, but I was looking online. Some of these things go for $275, $300. I found some for $175, and of course the Harbor Freight, if you use the 20% off coupon, I think this one cost me I don't know, 70 bucks shipped to my house, and I didn't even have to go anywhere. So I decided to go with this one because looking online, they all seemed fairly similar. Maybe your higher end Miller and some of those other ones, Hobart's, maybe they are a little bit thicker gauge sheet metal, but I was willing to take a chance. So I didn't really know what to expect until I got it. Well, to be honest, I'm pretty surprised at what we have. Number one, it's pretty heavy. It's packaged pretty well, and I like the fact that it's foldable, so it's gonna stay out of the way. The strap's cut, and we'll see if we can't get it assembled. Normally I would just throw these away, but here lately I found out that I've always had to turn back and revert back to these after I got something assembled and it didn't look quite right. So we'll hold on to them just in case. I'm not sure what gauge sheet metal this is, but it's at least a 1/16 of an inch. So I'm guessing that it's probably at least 16 gauge, maybe 14. Alright, well, now it's all assembled. I have to say that other than the Harbor Freight sticker down there on the leg, I really don't know that there's much difference between this one and the ones you pay $200 for. I'm very satisfied with the overall quality of this. You know, you take your chances when you buy these Harbor Freight stuff. You never know what you're going to get. The last time I purchased something, a drill press, I wasn't really happy with it. It was very cheesy, so I took it back. But this right here, for the money that we paid for this, I think it was, I got the 20% discount. I think it was around $70. Very well made. Saved about 100 bucks compared to some of the other stuff I saw on Amazon. Now I'm just going to go around and tighten all these bolts up. Everything is still loose, and going to tighten everything up, and we'll check it out. I ran out of memory in my SD card, so I think I lost this last little segment, but it was just me going around tightening everything up. I have to say that it's pretty sturdy. I'm pretty satisfied with this. For me, if you're just doing some hobby welding like I'm going to be doing, you just need a place to be able to have a work surface that you're not worried about catching on fire, I guess, then this little table is great. Now, I told you earlier that this is real similar to name brand tables, and I went back and double checked. The Hobart and the Miller table are not like this. The Hobart is just kind of flat, and I'm not sure from the picture, you can't tell, but it doesn't have any slots. Miller is round tubing instead of square tubing for the legs, and the slots are in an X configuration. Of course, they're a lot more expensive. I got this with the 20% off coupon. The coupon gave me $14 off, so the total was $56. Normally they're $69.95 at Harbor Freight. Now, there are some on Amazon. The Nomad looks exactly the same. It just says Nomad down there instead of Harbor Freight. And it was $140, same exact table. Eastwood has the same exact table. except for down there where the sticker is, it has Eastwood. So I think for half the price of the Eastwood, doing pretty good. The difference between the more expensive ones and the cheaper Harbor Freight seems to be just this little sticker. We'll just fix that. So if branding bothers you for some reason, shoot me an email and we'll get you taken care of. This one is rebranded already. Alright guys, so yeah, it's a really good unit. So the table height is about 33 inches, 32 7/8, and the work surface is 30 by 20 or 19 7/8. And it looks like it's going to be a good size for what I'm going to be doing. It's nice and sturdy. Really a well-made unit for the $56 with the 20% discount. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel and you're just watching this video for the first time, it's something that you feel like you're interested in going forward, hit the subscribe button. Anytime I post a new video, you'll get an email letting you know, and if it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check it out. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.